Okay, hey everyone. This will be my week 4. I think that's what I call it on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I think this is my week 4 of my training plan. I know if you're looking at this spreadsheet, we start a little bit earlier, but shh, we're on week 4. And this is our sort of like post injury. This is when we're starting like our post injury training plan, because before that, I mean, we were getting off injury, but once we hit our first week of 124 kilometers, we are like, okay, this is when we should start our training plan. Um, so without talking too much about the previous weeks, let's just talk about week 4. So it started off pretty good, but workout, um, after the workout on, I believe, Saturday, yes, the week before on week 3, this was, I don't think it was particularly tough, but I guess I'm calling this pretty tough. I said it was solid, but I slowed down my pace because I was tired and all that. Plus, I was doing a lot of basketball at the time, especially during that week. And I was also this past week was doing a bunch of basketball. And when I say this week, I mean week 4, not because I'm technically recording during week 5. But anyways, so I found that on the Monday evening, I ended up pulling a little bit my Achilles. It wasn't too bad, and I just ran through it on Tuesday. But then I decided, hey, we're gonna maybe try to let this thing heal. So, because I was kind of feeling it in the evening, I was thinking about going for my second run, but then I was like, oh, okay, my Achilles is hurting while I was walking around the house, so then I didn't do it. Wednesday, wasn't sure if it would be better, so I tried. So I tried to do a workout. I showed up to the track, did a little warm up, and then most way, like 75% through my warm up, I was like, oh, I'm starting to feel my Achilles again, so I stopped. So then I took another day, full day off. Friday, I ended up running, and I still felt my Achilles a little bit, but it wasn't like that bad. Then come Saturday, yeah. So then comes Saturday, I was still feeling my Achilles, but I was like, hey, I really need to do a workout. So I was just gonna say, let me do, 10. We're gonna do 800, see how we go. If we have to stop, we'll stop. But let's at least try and go and do a few. So I started. The plan was, oh, okay. The plan was 10 times. Oh, wait, no, that's what this is for, yeah. So the plan was to do 10 times 800 meters. I was only going to do 8K, and then with 45-second rest. So that was the plan. And so for the first bit, I was running pretty much 79s slash like low 80s. So for the first 6 reps, I was basically going sub 240, just below. And then after that, my heart rate started getting really, and sorry, not started, it was really high during this point. So, and it was starting to get hot. So this is technically just below my threshold, which is good. But I thought, especially up here, there was a point where it hit 192, I believe. This is 190. And for me, I think that is just a little too, and it also just felt like way too hard, way harder than I wanted it to be. So after that, I slowed down, and then we can see the splits of 248, 245, 245, 242, 244, 242, 240, 245, and 243. So kind of running 82 slash 83s. The first one was 84s. Pretty not super fast. Not super fast at all, which is okay. And during rest, even though I only have 45 seconds, uh, yeah, it came down a little bit, I guess. Um, it would have came down. So this is when I stopped. It was still high for a little bit, and then it came down pretty quickly. So overall, I gave this a 6. I guess I didn't explain why. I should have put an explanation, but overall, I thought it was a solid workout, but it was like really tough. And I was probably going too hard, but I eased off on it. And so I forgot why I took Sunday off. I was taking a lot of this week off. I think I was reffing some games that day. This was last week's Sunday. I did ref. Did I not run? I guess I didn't run, but yeah, I took the day off. I guess I was just tired. I forget why I didn't run that day. Anyways, doesn't matter. Didn't run. I was tired or something. Yeah. And I think my friend also asked me if I wanted to do. No, he asked me that on the Monday morning. I just took Sunday off anyways. I think I was just like overly tired just because I was doing like a bunch of reffing and a bunch of volunteering as well. I think that's what it was because I was volunteering like the Thursday, Friday for like 8 hours outside. So, I guess. Oh yeah, and that's what a lot of, and this includes from week 5, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But, I think yeah, that's what it was. Thursday and Friday, I was volunteering. So sometimes you really have to like adjust your training schedule or your training to accommodate for the extra work that you're putting in that you're not necessarily logging. I should put this somewhere here. Also did volunteering at the track. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, let's just write that down just so we know. But yeah, overall, this week was kind of like a down week, and it set us up for a really big week in week 5. So, you know, little bit of a curse, little bit of a blessing. I think having like this much rest, obviously, you know, it's low and it's not really what we want. We don't want to be having like weeks, you know, we want these to be our down weeks. But at the end of the day, you know, it's all part of a big process. And so it's really important that we build up safely. And you know, this week oh, I forgot to add. Okay, I'll add this after, but this week has been a lot bigger, and I'll be talking about that next video, which I'm going to do tomorrow after I do my run. So I think that's it for me. If you have any questions about training or how to do your training or anything, you like this video, thank you. I don't think anyone's watching this, but it's okay. I should stop. I need to be more confident with myself. So we'll try to work on that. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good one. I'll see you. Bye.